Hey everyone, it's Lynette Chandler from Thrive Anywhere. Today, I would like to show you how to make tables in Canva. Now, it used to be really difficult because Canva did not have a table feature. You would either have to go about creating tables using like shapes, especially squares, and lines. So maybe if this was a table, I would have put it like that. And maybe I want to copy and paste it. I would have to duplicate this a few times. Where's my duplicate feature? I would have to duplicate this a few times and then organize them into a table format. That maybe those are columns and this is a row. So I would have to do it like that and organize them. And if I wanted the table to be white inside, I would have to change this and I will have to change this border weight and so on and forth to make tables like that. But now Canva has a new table feature. I'm going to delete that. And we go to Elements, click on Search, and just type tables, or you could go right here. They have this new category here called tables. And suddenly you have all these options. I believe you can recreate any of these options yourselves, but if you want to start already somewhat done, you can go ahead and do that. I kind of like this type of table, so we're going to go ahead and do this. As you can see, everywhere that I hover my mouse over, it will turn into an arrow that I can expand or reduce the table. And the same thing with the table heights. If I want to make the tables larger, I would just select the corners, or I would select that any one of these side bars here and drag them. And what if I want to add columns? That's super easy too. You can click up here, all right, and add it. And you can do add column before or after. Every column will have something like that. So I could do add column after. I can also do, let's say I want, all right, let's close this down. Supposing I am creating a week calendar here. Okay, I have already 4 columns. I need 3 more columns. I can go ahead and click here and add one by one, or I can also do, let's see here. So that, click, and then add 3 columns after, and then now I have got one for each day. Now I want to make it larger, and then let's say I want to make these the same widths. We size columns equally like that. So these would be the days. All right, and now I can just double click inside to add text. So this would be Monday. I just use the tab key on my keyboard, and it will go to the next column, just like it normally does in any kind of spreadsheet. Whoops, I've got one less. So I just add here, sorry. So just like any other spreadsheet program, it works a lot like that. Now, maybe I do not want this to be so tall. I can make it smaller. And if I want the text to change, I can just select all that on top here and maybe do different text here. Though that's small if you ask me. I'll make it large like that. And maybe I'll change the text color to a white color. And so on this side here, it can be anything. It can be, you can put maybe an image for or child 1, or work. I love these 3 column type. And you would find this is a 3-row type calendar, but you'll find 3 column ones in my shop too. And maybe play or spouse, and then let's do size rows equally. And then now we have nicely formatted week calendar here. And of course, you can select any of these. Whoops, I have moved it, which I don't want to move it. You can select one and then go all the way down here. Keep your shift key down and click on the last box here. And then we can now change the color of the boxes. And we can also change the borders of this. So we can do this, and let's do a border weight here. And instead of pink colors inside, we have borders instead. So let's do all the inner borders like that, and or just all of it like that. Change it to 1 or 2 because 1 seems to be small. Okay, there we go. So that's how easy it is now to add tables to Canva. Go ahead and play around with it. This is definitely going to make Canva so much more useful creating printables. Hey, it's Lynette from Thrive Anywhere. If you enjoyed the video, please do me a favor. Like the video and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we publish new ones. It will help us tremendously and spur me to make more for you. Thank you so much for your help. I love and appreciate you.